How to remove green screen on Kinemaster. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily remove the green screen on Kinemaster. Well, the process itself is relatively simple. All you have to do is, if you have a video with a green screen background, now I edited this on Kinemaster itself, so you can see the logo there as well. So however, if you wish to remove the green screen and keep a certain background, then simply what you want to do is you want to tap on layer option at the right hand side. Then you want to go ahead and select the media option. Then go ahead and select the particular background that you wish to keep, and then adjust it. Once you have adjusted it, you can go ahead and open it up. Now here the thing is, what you'll have to do is, if you tap on this and if you tap on Chroma key, then it probably won't work here. So you can see it's not working right here. So if I do this, then it won't work. The first thing what you'll have to keep in mind is, always if you wish to put in certain background on the video, first you'll have to open up the new project and select that particular background as your main editing video. So I'll just select the particular image that I downloaded to keep as background. So you can see this row right here. Then you want to select the layer option and then media option this time, and then select the video with the green screen. Then adjust it right here, and once you have adjusted it, as you can see here, I'll adjust it right here. And once you have done so, next thing what you can do is then go ahead and head over to the Chroma key section here after you select the video and enable it. Once you enable it, you can see the background is gone here. So you can adjust it as well. So remember, you can adjust this as well, the settings here. So once you tap on Chroma key here, you can adjust this to how much you want to darken it or how much you want to thicken it, this effect. So this is how you can remove the green screen on Kinemaster. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.